Okay, currently this chart has information here. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has series 1 all the way to series 6. So it's not giving us any information, and that's because we have not selected the months. We have also not selected the donuts. So we need to click in the center here and make sure we select our chart. Come up to Design and go over here to Select Data. Now, up here you can see that we have the marching ants around the numbers only. And so we need to fix this. So we go up here to this little chart, and we're going to select our range again. So I'm going to click on the chart. I'm going to currently select A2, click, hold, drag all the way down to G8. So now it will include the months and it will include the donuts. So you want a nice, perfect little rectangle, not leaving anything out. So once that happens, click on the X and then click OK. And you will see that the data is now correct. I have January, February, March. I have the donuts right down there. I can even come up here and select the data, and I can switch the rows. And see, this kind of makes a little bit more sense to me. Put January glazed, all in their own little sections, chocolates, sprinkles, and so forth. I can click OK. I like it this way. I can click on this guy right there and actually move it up here so it makes a little bit more sense. I can click on Home and increase the size and then spread it out so I can see them all. There we go. And I kind of like this. Okay, so we have our choices down here. I can change that size. I'm in the Home section. Change the size a little bit. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to check and make sure that the formulas are working. Okay, so that adds up to 600. I'm going to click and hold and drag all the way over. And it looks like it is all working correctly. So that's good. I'm going to click in this section here, and we need to float our titles. So I'm going to select the titles. I'm going to come to Alignment, Center, and Center. And center one more time. There we go. Now they're in the center. And I just think it looks nicer that way. And then shrink it back up again. Now I can automatically shrink it up, or I can select this area here, click between the 2 and the 3, and it will jump to where it is in a good location. Okay, so everything looks fine, and then I would do all those edits before changing the numbers. I just like to change the numbers real quickly to get the answer to if the formulas are working. Go ahead and fix the word chocolate, and you're good to go.